What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be working on the company van, and we're gonna be doing something a little different today. Usually you see people that use a pressure washer to clean in the engine bay. But we're gonna do that without using a pressure washer, using some different kinds of liquids to be able to clean and make it look like brand new. This is what it looks like now. So this is 2012. It's been a workhorse for another person, so you can see it here. Look at that. It's just been used and never cleaned. You know, nobody really cleans it, but I want to at least make it nice. So we're gonna use these certain liquids and cleaners to clean the engine bay and make it look like brand new. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is one of the first things I'm going to use. It's an engine degreaser by Gunk. And I'll use this and spray it, you know, in decent amounts all over the engine bay. And follow it up with a little brush. Using a little toothbrush, paintbrush I had there. But then afterwards come out with a brake parts cleaner. And then clean up what this left behind. You can use a rag to clean up this right after. You don't have to use a brake spark cleaner, but I'll use it because I clean it up nicer and not leave it oily. And then you can follow it up with some alcohol to clean up the rest, any residue left over and whatnot. So I'm gonna show you how that goes. So it really looks great, but I just sprayed that gunk and I just messed around with aggravated the dirt. So you see right here, look at that. And now I'm gonna pass it. I could either do the microfiber or just use the brakes cleaner, which I'm gonna do, and then just wipe it up afterwards. And then let's see how it comes out. So after the gunk and then the brake spark cleaner, this looks way better. I mean, obviously it's still an older car, so the gunk is already built up. The battery, I could clean it up a little more on here, but the terminals are dirty, corroded, so I'm gonna have to fix that. But regardless, look at that. It looks way much better. Looks way much cleaner. So yeah, it's pretty much a simple, very easy way with no pressure washer to be able to clean the engine, and it looks 10 times better just by a little towel and cloth and pass it over. And at the end you can actually do alcohol, a little bit of alcohol, and then pass it over to clean up all the dirtiness, and should be clean. And the little spray that the degreaser came on here, I'll grab some alcohol and pass it through here. Make sure it doesn't stay, so it doesn't mess up the bumper, but doesn't stain the bumper. But pretty much, yeah, really easy task to do. All right, guys, today was a simple video. I wanted to show you guys this because I've been meaning to do this, and a couple people asked me to do it for them. So they wanted an easy way to clean the engine bay without messing up all the electronics. The tip to that, you can use a pressure washer also. Just cover up the electronics that are exposed. Some cars have alternators, some certain belts out there, the battery. Cover that and you should be good, and don't pressure wash it directly on top of it, and it shouldn't be a problem. Other than that, you could do this method also, and it worked great for me. And you know, the car is a 2012, so It does have some built up gunk already, you know, stained, you could say, but it's good, you know. And once again, today's video is very short, but comment down below on some things you guys would like to see in the future. Your comments, I read every single one of them, and I try to respond to all of them. And I appreciate all you guys for commenting and asking questions and all that. That's what I'm here for. And once again, just follow my IG and Facebook for any upcoming events, videos, all that sorts. And I thank you guys for watching today's video. Thank you.